This box is huge. Let's get it opened up.
Lights they flicker and the candles glitter like you're in a thriller. Heart goes pound, pound, pound. Ghostly figures they can get so bitter. Show you.
All right, so first impressions, it is absolutely massive. This scooter is massive compared to Lime's, and it looks absolutely dinky towards this thing. Besides, towards whatever. Like, look at that. That is awesome. Yes, I am putting on gloves. And this little black thing here is my Kevlar Pando Moto, like Under Armour, under my hoodie, to ride a scooter. Look at this thing. The Mantis from Fluid is big compared to a Lime or a Bird. This thing is gigantic. Double chargers. Boom. Boom. It's got full shocks and springs, front and rear, like basically coil over. Like, look at that. Hydraulic front and rear brakes. It is absolutely unreal. Carbon fiber. Look at that. Let's get out there. So I think I get more looks on this thing right now because I'm wearing a helmet. Like a motorcycle helmet, not like a bike helmet. Yeah, hopefully we don't hit these chicks here. They're kind of close to the... Guys, this thing is absolutely insane, and long overdue scooter vid. So this scooter was one of the first ones in, I think it was the first one in Canada, one of the first ones in North America, that's for sure, because they sent it to me right away. It is the Fluid Freeride. It is the Nami Viper. The full name is Burn-E Viper, Burn-E Viper. So it's got quite the name to it, but she is here. The reason why the video took so long is because of the part shortage and everything. The front brake, unfortunately, is giving me problems. I got a new caliper installed finally. You know, with the whole situation right now, parts are so hard to get. So as you know, if you're a motorcycle rider, the front brake is 70% braking force and the rear is 30. This scooter being 100 pounds, me being 190, is almost 300 pounds, and so lots of the weight is behind the front gear or the front wheel, so you're going to want to use the front brake. The rear brake locks up so easy. I don't know if you can hear it, like it doesn't do anything, whereas the front, all the weight loads onto the front and you can brake way harder. Still trying to figure out a small issue with the front, this new front caliper. I don't think I bled it properly or whatever. I need to double check it. It does work though, as you can tell. So that was the only reason for the delay, guys, and just took me time to get the parts. They had to dismantle a scooter at Fluid to get me the parts. They had their test unit there, so they gave me the front caliper from that. The guys over at Fluid, man, like, they treat you amazing. And so my other scooter, the Mantis, is from them, and they hit me up and said, look, Snowcat, we loved your Mantis content. Can we send you something completely unnecessary, completely wild? Please don't kill yourself. And guys, that's my first thing. I gotta say, if you're gonna watch this review, coming from a motorcyclist, so many of you may not know me if you're looking up scooter stuff, because I just got into scooters. I'm everything two wheels. I love two wheels to death, and so the scooters really piqued my interest. And let me tell you, from a guy riding motorcycles for, I don't even know, 14 years now, I track ride, I ride Supermoto, I ride Honda Groms on slicks at kart tracks, I ride my Super Duke at big boy tracks. Like, I'm not trying to flex a little bit here, like, I know how to ride, and let me tell you, this scooter is not for someone that does not know how to ride. Push steering comes into effect, so if I push my right hand forward, like, it leans like a motorcycle. The torque steer is unreal. If you gun this thing, you're skipping all over the place. It wheelies like you wouldn't believe, like, it jumps like you wouldn't believe. The suspension's unreal. This is a real machine. This is not a scooter, guys. This is a freaking motorcycle. It's 100 pounds, dual motor. I think peak was 8,000. It's been a while since I've got the specs, so forgive me that I forget. We've had this one for a while now, since I read the specs, so I apologize, but it goes 100 kilometers per hour, 100 kilometers per hour. So I'm wearing my bike helmet, my bike motorcycle leather gloves, my Pando Moto riding jeans, my full-on TCX, you can see these puppies, TCX riding boots. Oh, it's my favorite bump right here. Watch this. Like, it friggin' jumps, man. This scooter is insane. I tell all my friends it's a Bugatti Chiron of scooters. It really is. The Mantis is a better scooter. It's lighter. It's 60 kilometers an hour. It's more nimble. These are very wide tires. Where's a car we can race? No car. The Mantis is way more nimble. This is very chunky monkey. It's very heavy. You definitely feel that weight under you. That's why I say, you know, you have to have motorcyclist kind of like tendencies for these things, or just be like really like practiced on it. This is not for the faint of heart. When you open it from Fluid, it says this is not a toy. So when my friends come and try it, like we start out in efficiency mode and let them go easy. This thing is just retarded, if I can say that in 2021. It is just bonkers. I cannot describe to you how insane this scooter is. I'm not just saying that. As you guys know, I'm very honest with any of my videos I make, and I can tell you, like, it gets me up hills where a lime or bird wouldn't, because I'm, you know, 190 pounds. Not like, look, just listen here. Just listen to the front. Watch this. I'm gonna gun it. Ready? And there we go. There's 50 KPH just like that. It is so fast. It is so fast. So yeah, that's out the way. It is a professional scooter. It is professional. It is, if you look the price up, it is not cheap. Link in the bio. Of course, I have a discount code with Fluid, so definitely peep that. They've been great supporters of my channel, and here's a little speed run. The suspension is wicked. There we go. There's 80 kph on a bike path. Are you kidding me? And it still wants to go, and that wasn't even fully gunned because I want to try and save the front tire. When you whack it open, boy oh boy does the front tire start to spin and slide everywhere. I went to custom settings, so I had like full motor power from the beginning, 100%. Sport mode's much smarter. It lets you save the front tire. It ramps up the front motor slower than the rear because of course you pulled the weight back. Thumb throttle, so you can't whiskey it like with the other one. Sorry for bringing up the Mantis a lot. That's like my first real scooter besides a bird or a lime. Look at it. It's huge. You can fit, like, I have size 12 feet, so you can fit, you know, 2 sets of 12s if you know if you have a guy friend, you know, you want to 2-up with. Just kidding. I 2-up my girls, but this crazy piece here you put your foot on to hold yourself forward. Dual chargers, underglow, indicators. The headlight's unreal. It's a real headlight. Like, you can actually see at night with it. It's beautiful. What else? It has indicators here which show up on the dash, and you can actually see them underneath. It's funny, if you honk and put them on, they stay amber. You can go shooting off curbs. Like, you don't need to have a curb like this to go down, like a disabled entrance type thing, like a wheel type thing. You can go bombing off curbs. It's hilarious. The suspension works so well. Fully adjustable, off-road, on-road. Mine's set pretty, it's rebound, so it's set pretty quick, so it pushes it picks the spring back up. I forget, compression is the initial, and yeah, so it's resetting the spring really fast, which I like, so it's more solid. Regen, so here I'm not even using the brake pads right here. I'm regenning down this hill. And guys, I've used this to go for liquor stores, pub runs. Like, I'm an alcoholic, you guys know that if you watch my Instagram, follow me on IG. And all I know is, man, this scooter is unreal. I want to try and race some cars so you can see how fast it is. The range is unreal. I've been from my house to downtown and back, which is like 100 kilometers round trip I've done, and it gets home with like 20%. They say it's about 150 kilometers range on efficiency, but who wants a scooter like this to ride at efficiency? Like, literally no one. So you're gonna be bombing around on it, so you will use more juice than the full range, of course. Now, which way do I go? Is it this way? I forget. So many weeds. So yeah, what else am I talking about here? Throttle, it's got the front rear brakes, hydraulic, it's got the massive motors, the top speed, the range, the big battery, dual charger so it charges quickly, the motorcycle horn. It's so funny. This video is getting way too long. Stay tuned for a part 2 where I ride downtown, race some cars, and some other cool stuff. Until next video, peace.